Dad and I don't always agree, but with the iBot, we see eye to eye.
Call 1-877-794-4585 and schedule a free test drive of the Independence iBot mobility system.
Dad said that some things are off limits.
But the beach isn't one of them.
Call 1-877-794-4585 and schedule a free test drive.
The corporate ladder? No problem. My office stairs? No problem.
iBot Your Life for greater physical and emotional freedom. It's the only all-in-one mobility solution of its kind. Unlike any wheelchair, the iBot lets you see eye to eye, handle uneven terrain, climb curbs, even stairs. So get close, get in the game, and iBot Your Life. The iBot mobility system is a prescription product that may not be suitable for everyone. For information on contraindications and requirements, visit our website or call 1-877-794-4585. Experience the test drive that can change your life. iBot Your Life.